What's happening, everybody? That's right. Last bag of Hogwarts. I'm going to give you a close-up on the whole thing when I'm done with it. But let's get through this bag and get it all finished. Sweet. There was a couple things that I wanted to talk about today, anyways. My headspace has not been where it should be. Like, I was so locked in to the bodybuilding thing before I got hurt because I could go to the gym, you know, and I had a huge routine that I was doing every day. Work, food in the morning, work, snacks. I knew when everything was supposed to happen. I don't have that at the moment. I've been trying to get better with it, but it's constantly changing every day. If I got an appointment I gotta go to, or if just random things happen, or if I don't do anything, or if I'm not feeling good that day, the stuff on the list just doesn't work. So it's been a struggle to do that. I'm excited for Wednesday because we have physical therapy on Wednesday to start making it better and not hurt as much. So that's a plus. And something else that I wanted to kind of talk about while I'm doing this is because it just happened again this morning. I went and threw some stuff out because we had a bunch of trash here, and somebody needed help carrying something down the stairs, but he didn't ask for it. He should have asked for it because that's how you get injured. Somebody noticed it and then went and helped him, which was a great thing. But what I want to say is, don't think you don't need help. If you ask for it, just ask for the help. It's not knocking on anybody or anything. It's not knocking on you. If you can do it yourself, great. Don't hurt yourself. I thought I could do it myself, and look at me. I'm out of work, not doing what I should be doing right now. Just ask for the help if you need the help. Even if you don't need it, just ask for it anyways. Just do that. But that's my little talking point that I wanted to get across today. Try not to be a hero and do it all yourself. Ask for help. And then it makes other people feel better about themselves too, because they could help you. Because who doesn't like helping a friend out, right? But there's my little TED Talk, if you will. I did want to look at this thing though. This is awesome. Oh, and update, if you haven't seen it, Saturday Skill Day intro is out. You guys get to see everything we're going to be doing, which is cool. How the heck is this? We got dexterity coming up. We're doing Jenga next weekend. Well, the first episode, which is exciting. And then, because we switched it up completely from last year, or I keep saying well, it was last year now. We switched it up completely, and we're not just doing physical based stuff. We're doing more like mental and pinpointed memory, bunch of different things which makes it a little harder in my thought, which is kind of cool. I like how we're doing it this way this time. But there will be some physical things we do, but it's going to be later in the series. That way I have still time to heal. And then I need the second one of these. What's up, Doji? Come on up. Oh. What's up, Doji? Oh, thank you. Thanks for the kisses. Oh, yeah. Okay. He's been excited I've been home. He loves it. Hang out with him all day, every day. Oh, that's pretty cool. The little car and the tree. Nice. That's funny. Gonna speed through the bag here, so I might not talk, and I'm gonna put how fast I'm going through it. All right. Check this out. We got a ship that was pretty tough to put on there. Little guy holding his stuff. A flying carriage, which is awesome. We got all the towers, the green rooms, the car, and the tree. This was a very cool build. I did like it. Awesome. Again, all the little secrets, chamber of secrets right there. The chessboard, the mirror, the potion room. Pretty cool. Courtyard right there. Awesome. Pumped. I got it done. Can't wait till the next one. I was surprised by it. Marissa actually ordered me one, and it is a Galaxy one, but it's on back order, so it doesn't come in, I think, till like the end of the month. So I guess I have more time to practice cup stacking now. Alright guys, I'll show you where it's gonna sit. I'll put it in its resting place, and then that'll be it for today's video. Don't forget, ask for help when you need it. Don't try to do everything yourself. You got this. Stay strong, keep moving on, keep leveling up, and have a great day.